Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am gonna show how to make this review animation with After Effects. Let's begin. So, vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. Let's select this red one and make animation. Select this first line and go to window, open animation composer, anchor point mover. Okay, this is mini script from Mr. Horse. You can download free in the website. Select this line and click here. Okay, nice. And line 2, line 3, again line 3. Okay, so nice. And select this girl composition, move to down, anchor point. Okay, let's close and make animation. Select these all lines, press S in the keyboard and click this icon, make new scale keyframe and go to 1 second, again make new keyframe, back to first second and change scale. Okay, nice. Select all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascend, easy ease, and go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Okay, not bad. Let's select these layers, this move to here and this move to right and this. Let's say again. Okay, not bad. Select this all lines, move to right. Okay, select this shape white, move to anchor point here and press S, click this icon, change rotation to 0, make new keyframe, go to here and change again keyframe. Okay, select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assign, easy ease, graph editor, make smooth graph. Okay, nice. Then open stars composition. Okay, select all stars, go to window, animation composer and open to the layers, scale and this overshot scale. Let's click. Okay, nice. Let's see. Nice. Select this and move to right. Okay, nice. Let's close stars. Move to up. Okay, not bad. Then select this circle, Control D for duplicate and move to up. Select this girl and change none to alpha matte. If you not see this alpha matte, you can click toggle switch and open this area, select none and alpha matte. Okay, nice. Go to again window, animation composer, open scale and select these circles and click. Okay, nice. Select these all layers, move to right. Okay, select this girl, press R in the keyboard and change rotation, make new rotation keyframe, go to here and change rotation. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. Select all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ise easy ease. Okay, hold shift, press P, make keyframe, go to here. Again new keyframe, back to first keyframe and move to down. So not bad. Let's select all layers and close keyframes. Again click toggle switch and let's make motion blur and here. Okay, nice. Let's close this red one and select this red one. Press P in the keyboard and hold shift, press S. Make keyframes, go to here and move to down and change scale to 40. Okay, or 30. Select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ise easy ease. Then select this red one, Control D for duplicate and move to here. Okay, press S, open scale, change scale. Okay, nice. Let's open red 2 and select this boy composition. Select this again girl, boy and girl, and hold Alt. Select this boy, move to this girl. Okay, nice. Press U. Select these two keyframes, move to left and down. Okay, nice. Let's close red 2 and again select this red 2, Control D for duplicate, move to here. Okay, press S, open scale, change scale and move to here. Okay, let's open red 3 and select this boy 2 and select this boy, hold Alt, move to boy 2 here. Nice. Okay, and let's close. Nice. Let's select these all red compositions, press U for see all keyframes and select these keyframes, Control C and select this red 2, Control V. Let's press U for see keyframes. Okay, and select this red 3, Control V. Okay, nice. Then let's select these two position keyframes, move to down. Okay, and let's move to right. Okay, and select these keyframes, move to here. Okay, and select this first keyframe, move to left. Nice. Select this red 3, press U, select this composition, move to here and select this two position. Okay, move to down. Okay, select this keyframe, move to here. Okay, let's see. Move to left. Okay, nice. Then let's create new null object. This is controller. and select this RAID 1, RAID 2, RAID 3, parent to this controller. Okay, and select this RAID and RAID 3, move to left. Okay, and select this controller, press P in the keyboard, make new position keyframe, go to here and move to down. Okay, nice. Select this RAID 3, move to here and again make new keyframe, move to here and move to up. Okay, let's see. Okay, select this RAID 3, move to here. Okay, select this keyframe, right mouse, keyframe as easy ease, go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Okay, not bad. Let's animate the background objects. Open plants composition. Select this plant 3. Move the anchor point here. And plant 2. And plant 1. Okay. Select this plant 3. Press R. Hold Alt and click here. Let's write wiggle expression. Change to 1. Okay, nice. Select this wiggle, Ctrl C and select plant 2, press R. Again hold Alt, click here, Ctrl V and click this area. Okay. And plant 1. Let's close these plants. Okay, nice. Then select these flowers. Make anchor point. Select this flower 5, press R and hold Alt, click here, Ctrl V. Nice. Select this object, move to up. Okay, nice. Let's close. So not bad. Let's open clothes. Select these clothes. Press P in the keyboard. Make new position. Move to 6 seconds and change positions. Let's see. Okay, and select this sun, move to here, press P, make new position keyframe, go to here and move to up. Okay, let's close clothes. So not bad. Select this background shape, go to wave effects and wave warp. Let's use. Change wave width. Okay, nice. Select this background shape too. Again use wave warp. Change wave width. Let's make shadow for this mobile. Select ellipse tool and let's draw shadow. Close stroke and select color like this and move to back mobile. So let's see. So thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.